This sounds simple, but it's very Chinese. Say this. 你吃了吗?你吃了吗? Literally, did you eat? But it often means, how are you? Repeat after me. 你吃了吗? Say it again. 你吃了吗? 你吃了吗? Comment the next phrase you want in Chinese.